The following video is sponsored by Baseus Security. Security solar cameras, they either have a separate solar panel, which is fixed, or a solar panel built within it, again fixed. But this model here from Baseus Security, it's very clever because its solar panel will track the sun, and this doubles its efficiency. So this is going to be forever powered by the sun. You don't have to worry about taking it down, at least not where I live. Super sunny Spain on the Med Coast. This thing's going to always be powered. Now, the resolution of the camera is 2K, and it has a microphone and speaker built in, so we can have two-way conversations. It's got 8 gigabytes of internal storage that is encrypted. In fact, it's to Riveland data privacy certified too, so you know that that footage is safe and there's no hidden fees with it at all. It is IP67 weatherproof, so being out in the rain and the sun is not going to be a problem at all for the S1 Outdoor Camera 2K. So what is included with our Security S1 Outdoor Camera 2K? We've got the camera itself. There is our Type A to Type C cable for charging it. This is the mount that is adjustable that we screw into place. They have the screws right here. We've got a quick start guide and then a mounting guide, which is very handy. So this has the position where the holes are for this mount, and I'll get onto the installation of that shortly. The S1 Outdoor Camera's got a very good build quality here from Baseus Security, really solid. Now IP67, so getting a bit of rain on this, having it in the sun, it's fine. It's all weatherproof, of course, it is designed for that. Now the first thing you see about it that's different is the way the solar panel is, because of that forever power being powered by the sun. But the tracking system, so this is where the solar panel is going to move according to where that sun position is, and that means it's going to have the absolute best efficiency, unlike the fixed panels that are always just at one angle. That's not optimal, but this of course so much better here. So to retain the IP rating, it does have this gasket, rubber gasket that goes over where our Type-C port is. So this is where you fully charge it first before mounting it. Our power button right here, we do have a loudspeaker. This is the mount at the back that you screw into this, and the camera at the front here. So 2K resolution, that's got good clarity to it. You'll see it later on with my samples. Microphone and status LED. Passive infrared sensor, but it also does have advanced AI human detection. We've got LEDs either side, and that camera has a wide field of view, which is 145 degrees. So now onto the installation, which is not too hard, as I'll show you in this video. My position where I'm going to place it is about here. This is so I get a good view of the side of the house here, and where the little pool is too as well. I'll get some of that into this shot. Now the things you need to remember is somewhere where there's going to be a lot of sunshine, which is ideal, and definitely where I'm going to be placing it here, there's plenty of sunshine, and it's in range within my wireless router, which is located up in the house up here. So not going to be too bad for that. Now it connects up simply to your 2.4 gigahertz wireless network, so it's very easy to do that. Now I have my hammer drill ready to go. The template, I'm going to need this of course to line up the holes for the mount correctly and the screws. And now just to drill the holes. Screw the mount into place. Then screw the camera onto the mount and use the application to get a live preview, and make sure you have a decent Wi-Fi signal. Here it's medium strength for me. Over to sample footage now, but what to expect here. 2K resolution, so you've got a lot of detail here. You have a wide 145 degree field of view, so you can see down the side of the house, the corner there's all covered. And I can cover this little small pool. Right now you can see the skimmer robot is in action right there. Built-in microphone, so you're able to have two-way conversations with the app on your phone because it's got the speaker too as well. So imagine you had a delivery where you've got the camera set up, you'll be able to talk to that person and we'll be able to hear you too as well. And then all of this is being recorded on 8 gigabytes of built-in storage that has absolutely no fees. And it is, by the way, to Riveland data privacy certified. Low light footage, as you can see, is clear and it's in color because we have our advanced color night vision, and this is using those LEDs, which are 400 lumens bright. So very powerful and good to see it's not just black and white like your typical infrared, but in color. Another great handy feature of it is that when it does detect anyone, so any humans, it will come up with a pop-up, as you can see now. Just a very quick example of that. This is what you get on your phone. Now, I've set it to also show me a thumbnail. You can either have it to show that or not. And if you have it set in the away mode and you want the alarm to trigger if it detects anyone, this is what it sounds like. So not only is it IP67 waterproof, it can also handle extreme temperatures. And that is minus 20 degrees, that low, and then right up to 50 degrees Celsius. So extreme heat and extreme cold. Then the application, which is called Baseus Security, you can get it for Android, which I'm using right now, and iOS devices, so your Apples, your iPad, iPhones. And here you see a live preview, which takes about 2 to 3 seconds to load in. It is relatively quick there, as long as you have good network coverage, which I do. So under here, we have the options to hold and speak, so for two-way conversations. And here you've got record, capture, mute, and the spotlight alert to turn the alarm on there if you want. And then night vision. Now this here full is going to take it from just the small little window here in portrait to then go into landscape so you can see a lot more. And this here is great because now I can apply digital zoom so you can see around about 8 meters and zoom in 8 times here too and move that all around just to get a closer view of everything. Because of the 2K resolution, it's quite a bit better than other cameras that have lower resolutions there. And you've got, more that you can see, more details. Under this part here, we've got the battery life. It can tell you that it's currently solar charging at the moment. You can switch it on and off. Solar panel management. So I'm using the sun-powered tracking, but you can manually set it or calibrate it to within the app. And the power management, so your recording time, you can customize this and set it up to 2 minutes. And if it's not detecting any movements, it won't be recording and will stop, which kind of makes sense. You don't want a lot of footage that's basically nothing. Human detection or everything. If you want absolutely everything, all movements, it can do that. Activity zones right here. So this is a very useful one if you want to set up privacy zones. Imagine you have an area where there's a lot of traffic, foot traffic going through. Perhaps it's a public walkway, so you only want to record your doorstep. Then you simply just need to go and add that. Imagine if there was a door there, then I can go and configure that. Or another very useful one is if there's a tree here, but you want all movements recorded, but you don't want it to record a tree blowing in the wind, then the same thing would apply, that you would set the zone minus excluding where, of course, that tree would be if there was one here. So you're able to do that, set up those 2 individual zones there, which is very simple. And finally, let's have a look just at a few other things here which are within the app. Spotlight settings, video settings, the night vision, watermark, and you can share the device, notifications, audio, pretty straightforward, and the guide there. So very useful app, and it does send you the notifications, and I've even got the thumbnail enabled right there. So as soon as it detects someone, it will send me that alert. So very handy. Overall, a great solar-powered security camera, and it is very clever, the fact that it's going to track and follow the sunshine, really increasing that efficiency, basically doubling it, meaning that, well, you don't have to worry about this thing running out of battery power because it's going to be topping itself up every day. Even cloudy days, it's still going to be able to get a bit of charge there. So we get the 2K resolution, two-way communication. You can zoom in 8 times digitally, AI human detection, and motion standard passive infrared detection, 2 options there as well. We have the night vision, so you can see a lot with that, and then the very powerful LEDs. So it really covers, I think, all bases. You've got no hidden fees. The 8 gigabytes of internal storage there too as well. It's very handy to have, and the build quality, excellent. Very simple and easy to install. It is basically 2 screws, mount it within your Wi-Fi range, and the important thing, which is very obvious, is that it's got some sunshine so it can charge itself up. So thanks a lot for watching my review here of the Baseus Security S1 Outdoor Camera 2K.